Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to create and customize charts in Google Sheets. Whether you're building a school report, a work presentation, or just want a better way to visualize your data by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn your raw numbers into great-looking, easy-to-understand charts fast. Let's jump right in and make your data pop. First things first, you'll need to have your data in Google Sheets. Before you even think about making a chart, it's important that your information is organized, just like neat rows in a notebook. For example, maybe you've entered something like sales numbers by month, survey results, or a breakdown of your expenses. Having clear column headers and consistent data makes the whole process smoother. If you haven't typed in your data yet, take a moment to do that now. Don't worry, it can be just a few rows if you're following along. Next, select your data, click and drag to highlight all the cells you want to include in your chart. Think of this as telling Google Sheets, hey, pay attention to this part. It's a small step, but it's crucial. If you leave anything out or select too much, your chart might not make sense, or it might include some extra empty space. Once you've got your data highlighted, head up to the menu bar, click Insert, and choose Chart. This is where the magic starts to happen. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart for you, often picking a default type like a bar or column chart that it thinks will work best for your data set. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly how you imagined. You can always switch things up in the next steps. Now you'll see a panel appear on the right with all the chart options. Under the chart type section, you can choose the chart style you want. Maybe a pie chart gives a better snapshot of your data distribution, or a line chart does a better job showing trends over time. Think about what story you want your chart to tell and pick the style that shows that most clearly. If you're unsure, try clicking around. You'll see the chart on your sheet update live, so you can actually see what looks best, and don't be afraid to experiment. After that, it's time to get creative and customize your chart. Click the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here, Google Sheets gives you tons of flexibility on how your chart looks. For instance, under Chart Style, you can try making your chart stand out. One fun option is making it 3D. Just scroll down and check the box for 3D. This adds some visual depth and can really make your data pop when sharing with others. Want to change the colors of your bars or segments? That's easy too. Just double-click on any of the bars or pieces in your chart. When you do, a menu will appear on the right side where you can select Fill Color. Pick a color that matches the theme of your presentation or just one that appeals to you. Either way, it'll make your chart more eye-catching. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the palette just right. You can always tweak it later. Lastly, let's make sure your chart tells people what it's all about. Add a descriptive chart title by heading to the Customize panel, then finding the Chart and Axis Titles section. Type in something clear like Monthly Sales for 2024. A great title helps anyone looking at your chart instantly understand what they're seeing. And that's it, you've created and customized a chart in Google Sheets. Remember, you can explore even more options in the Customize menu, from changing font sizes to adding labels everywhere you might need them. The best way to get comfortable is to play around with the settings and see what looks best for your data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop any questions, or share your chart creations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy charting.